How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Faulks YouTube channel. In this video, it's going to be a little different. As always, I'm not going to be talking about the NVIDIA show today. This is more of a thank you. I have reached 60 subscribers. I know that to many that won't be much, but that's more than I expected on this channel. I am really thankful to have you guys and have this community. Keep it up. I really love that you guys are liking my videos. Love that you guys are commenting. That means a lot. And if you haven't already hit that notification bell, go ahead and hit that. I have tons more videos coming up. One thing that's coming up that I'm really happy about is I'm going to be doing a PC build on this channel. I'm not going to give away too much of the specifics, but it's going to be nice. It's going to be pretty interesting. You guys will love that. I'm going to be doing tons of more NVIDIA Shield videos. That seems to be pretty popular, and you guys seem to like it, so definitely going to shoot some more content your way with that. Let's see, I got a few more unboxings to do. I hope you guys aren't getting tired of that. I know it's not getting that much attention, and I understand why. That's not what you're here for, so that will go away. Those mostly land on Thursdays. This is going to be my Tuesday video, and again, I apologize, I'm not uploading a Shield video today. All I'm doing is just thanking you guys for the amazing responses, the amazing support that you guys are giving me. You just don't know how much that means to me. So thank you guys. This is just a thank you video, kind of an announcement about the PC build. And yeah, it's going to be a really short video. Is there anything else I can talk about? Also, guys, I'm thinking about doing some Raspberry Pi builds, or Raspberry Pi videos. I have this Raspberry Pi here. I haven't done much with it, besides, of course, putting this nice white case. So yeah, I'm going to be doing things with that. If you guys want me to, I'm waiting to see your responses to that. I may put up a video just to see how well it's liked. The NVIDIA Shields are huge right now. I'm going to continue doing tutorials to continue with that. So again, I apologize. I'm really sorry. Don't unsubscribe. I finally hit 60. Well, I've only been doing this for a month, so that means a lot to hit 60 in a month for me. I had a gaming channel that kind of tanked, so I didn't do well on that, and I only had 23 subscribers after a while, which I understand why. I'm not that entertaining. I am sitting here trying to think of new things and other things to talk about, and I am completely out of ideas. Not for this channel, just for this video. So yeah, I'm going to end it there. Again, thank you, my subscribers. Thank you for being a part of the Faulks Tech community. I really hope you guys continue to watch my channel, my videos. I got a lot of things coming. I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned for the build. Stay tuned for the updates on the build. Right now, I got the funds, and now I'm just picking out the parts. So you guys will be a part of that. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, this is your first time viewing this channel, and you made it this far towards this video, I'm thinking you may like this channel then. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like this video, share it with your friends, with your mom, uncle, aunt, even your ex. Yeah, share it with your ex. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.